because I made it into a scriptable object. Let's save it and see what happens now. I believe it goes back to its original form, but yeah, okay. With crap loads of everything. So let's just right off the bat, let's just dump this into an XML file and see what it looks like. And we will go save. And go back into here. It shouldn't compile that long. Okay, no display, so it doesn't do anything. That's fine, we don't want to do anything. Now let's go into stream and assets. And it didn't show up because it's silly like that. And there we go. Build and FPS weapon. It created the file. Well, that file is awful big compared to my other one. Okay. Ooh, it's saved. Alright. It saved it just fine. Okay. Well, that's good. That's a start. So, since it saved that and did it into a beautiful XML file, we need to, what do we want to do? Oh, give it values. Weapon name, okay, there. Description, kill stuff, burst time, shots, and it's just random values. Okay. Wait, what did it? Will it? That's what I'm wondering. Right there. Will it do a save and save that information correctly? And I do believe it will. Value 1. Yes. Well, would it be a value of 1 there? That would be an interesting way of putting it. Okay, now let's go into this. Value of 1. What would... Wait. The layer mask... Add layer. Default is layer... I don't think it correctly does that. And that's okay. I expected that. So let's see if we can't load that information now. Instead of doing this, we want to load that information. Copy, go lazy, paste. Okay. And now we are getting that. So there's our save method, which I don't need to do this. So cut that gold Clark junk in there. And now we need this dot G equals data dot data dot what? That could be the problem. To save, and it doesn't give that. What's G? G is a list. Why can't I get an array out of that? The same way I used to. Ooh. It gives me everything else. Unzoom, zoom, zoom. It gives me the in. Wait. Whoa. It gives me. Alright, okay. Now I see why. Weapon saver. Weapon saver. Gives me a weapon object to this. And now we will deserialize. It'll be G. Data dot to save. And that will work just fine. It should. Hope so, because it would suck to make a custom thing for it. Okay, so we have that, and it's calling loading. We'll make sure, because if it doesn't, then it's going to be very entertaining. Okay. Alright, 3, that, and okay, yeah, it does save it. So each one of these classes, I can have a for each into them to instantiate a weapon. Well, that'll be good, because but it develops into a problem. So how do we get out of this problem now? I've got the weapon object list, okay, but I need to have some form of prefab that will instantiate my guns so that it will have that. So let's go into our gun class right here. Yeah, I know, it's freaking ridiculous how big my weapon script is. Should probably get resized pretty soon. Because there's no sense in having it this big. Oh. And I need to get the name first. Okay, so 4 FPS weapon. Okay. And we will be doing new script. And we will just copy and paste the name in. Bloop and add. Okay. And it'll do its compile stuff. And it it actually opened up and everything. That's crazy. Oh wow, I've never seen it do that for a long time. So, alright. So we need all this stuff. Okay. Yeah. I know, right? Lots of stuff. PS weapon, and we can pretty much overwrite everything in this file. Bam. And there we go. There is exactly so many errors in this because I do not have the essentials for it, which is fine. So we'll just close this up. Okay. And where this spawned in and scripts, we'll need to do the scripts here. Okay, now let's see. What do we have here? Strut or something, that's fine. That's cool. Okay, so we definitely need our input class. So let's go into here. And this was my input class. Yes. This is an abstract class, and I don't want the abstract version. I want the other version. I had a better version of it. But okay, whatever. It's a little ridiculous, but okay. Hate abstract classes like that. But, okay, whatever. Oh, can't do it that way because I need to do this first. Okay, scripts, create a C sharp, and paste in the name. Bam. Okay, let the compiler do its job, reload. And instead of doing it like we had before, I am definitely going to take it away from being abstract because that's ridiculous. I hate dealing with that crap. It sucks. I'd rather have a class that's instantiated and put on a game object. So instead of putting abstract, we go boop, goodbye. So that way I can put it on a component and everything else works fine. Okay. Let's get off this. Let's go into our cube. Because I had a different version where... Oh, come on. It will not let... What? Why will you not let me... Whoa, what's all that? Child inspector panels, inspector window. Man, Unity, you're bugging out bad. May have to reinstall you. Okay. Well, I don't see an issue here right off the bat, so let's just a reload key. Public. Oh, okay. Reload key. So it's going to be a key code. Okay. Is that what you were complaining about? Oh, weapon sway. I don't have that script in it. Bummer. Okay. Man, I hate that I'm going to have to pretty much instantiate and put classes everywhere that I used to have stuff. It's a bummer. Because... Oh, okay. Here's the weapon sway class. And it's another one of the classes that do not get instantiated. I had a lot of those classes for some reason. And they're okay, but jeez, man, if you gotta gain access to them or to and from, it's a pain. Okay, weapon sway definition for this. Yes, I know there's no definition for it. I'm fine. Let's reload. Reload the solution every time you open something. Even Unity guys didn't like that, but it's okay. And this is our weapon sway class, which should stop completely.